Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you will be safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. I heartily welcome you in my maths class. Dear students, today I will teach you the maths topic, that is how to find out actual sum and estimated sum to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. So students, be ready to study with me. Take your notebooks and pencils with you. Here we start. Yes, today's topic is how to find out actual sum and estimated sum to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. You can better understand this topic with the help of the example. Yes, estimate the sum to the nearest tens and find actual sum also. Now here you can see this word sum. Which is this sum? When we add two or more than two numbers, the answer that we get after addition, that is called sum. That is called sum. Now in this sum, in this question, we have to find out estimate the sum, means estimated sum, and actual sum. See, one example is given. We have to add 65 plus 32. When we add 65 and 32, we will write like this: 65 plus 32, and we will get 97. As the statement was given to us, we have written in the same form. We have not changed any digit from here. So as it was given, we have written in the same way and we have find out the sum. This is called actual sum. When we are not changing any type of statement, not doing any type of other calculation, and we are just doing according to the question, then we are getting this sum, that is called actual sum. And what is estimated sum? And see in the question, estimate the sum to the nearest tens. Firstly, we will change these numbers to the nearest tens. We will estimate these numbers to the nearest tens, and after that we will find out estimated sum. As in the previous video, I told you how to estimate, how to round off the numbers to the nearest tens. You can see from there also, and see here carefully also. And first number was 65 and 65. How to round it, or how to estimate this number to the nearest tens? For changing it to the nearest tens, we will observe the digit of ones place. Ones place digit is 5. It will become 0, and tens place digit will be written according to ones place digit. If ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit is written next. So 6 is next is 7. So 65 estimated to nearest tens is 70. It is 70. And what was the second number? It is 32. 32. When we will estimate it to the nearest tens, how we will estimate? 2 will become 0. Ones place digit will become 0. And tens place digit will be written according to ones place. Ones place digit is less than 5. So tens place digit will remain as it is. There will be no change in the tens place digit. It is 3, and it will be written as 3 only. So 32 estimated to nearest tens is 30. So we got 70 and 30. When we will add these estimated numbers, then we will get estimated sum. Then we will get estimated sum, that is 100. And you can see actual sum and estimated sum, these are very close. 97 and 100, these are very close. Now see one more example. Estimate the sum to the nearest hundreds and find actual sum. Now here, nearest hundreds, we have to find out the estimated sum to the nearest hundreds, and we have to find out the actual sum also. Then what number is given to us? That is 2172 plus 2930. When we will add these numbers, then what we will get? Actual sum. Yes, 2172, 2930. 2 plus 0 2, 7 and 3 10, 1 carry, 1 and 1 2, and 9 11, 1 again carry, 2 and 2 4, and 1 5. We got 5102, and this is the actual sum. Now we have to find out the estimated sum, and estimated sum, that is nearest hundreds. So we will change these numbers to the nearest hundreds. After that we will add them. So see, 2172, we have to estimate these to the nearest hundreds. To estimate to the nearest hundreds, we will observe the digit of tens place. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will also become 0, and 100, nearest 100 place, that will be written, 100 place digit, that will be written according to the tens place digit. Now you can see tens place digit is 7, it is more than 5, so 100 place digit will be written next. Ones next is 2, so it has become 2200, and the second number is 2930. To estimating it to the nearest hundreds, what we will get, see here, ones place 0, ones place digit is 0, it will be written as 0 only, and tens place digit is 3, it will also become 0, and 100 place digit will be written according to tens place. Now you can see tens place digit is less than 5, so 100 place digit will be written as it is, and 1000 place digit will be also written as it is. It has become 2900. Now we have got estimated numbers, and we will find out estimated sum with the help of the estimated numbers. 2200 plus 2900. When we will add these, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 2 and 9 11, 1 carry, 2 and 2 4, and 1 5. We got 5100, and you can see this estimated sum and this actual sum, these are also very close, 5102 and 5100. Yes friends, now see one more example, and that example is estimate the sum to the nearest thousands. Now estimate the sum to the nearest thousand and also find actual sum. Now what is the question given to us? 6217 plus 1523. Now actual sum, we will write these numbers and we will add these. This will be actual sum. 7 and 3 10, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, 5 and 2 7, 6 and 1 7. We got 7740. Now see how to find out the estimate sum to the nearest thousands. So we will firstly convert these numbers, estimate these numbers to the nearest thousands. Now see 6217. For converting it to the nearest thousands, we will observe the digit of 100 place. Ones place will become 0, tens place will become 0, 100 place will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will be written according to 100 place. And you can see 100 place digit is less than 5, so 6 will be written as 6 only. There will be no change in this digit, so it has become 6000. Now see what was the second number, 1523. Here ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will also become 0, 100 place digit will also be written as 0, and 1000 place digit it will be written according to 100 place, and 100 place digit is 5, so 1000 place digit will become next, and you can see ones next is 2, so it has become 2000. Now these two are the estimated numbers, and when we will add, we will get estimated sum. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 6 and 2 8. So 8000 is estimated sum, and you can see here actual sum is 7740 and estimated sum is 8000. Yes friends, now see one more example. That is 4829 plus 6458. Find out the actual sum and estimated sum also. Actual sum, we will write 4829 plus 6458. 9 and 8 17, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3 and 5 8, 8 and 4 12, 1 carry, 4 and 1 5, and 6 11. We got 11,287. Now we have to find out estimated sum. So we will estimate these numbers to the nearest thousands. So you can see here, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, and this is 1000. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will also become 0, and 100 place digit will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will be written according to 100 place digit. 100 place digit is more than 5, so 1000 place digit will become next digit. So 4's next is 5. So 4829 estimated to nearest 1000 is 5000. Then what is the next number? That is 6458. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, and this is 1000 place. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will also become 0, 100 place will be also written as 0, and 1000 place digit will be written according to 100 place, and 100 place digit is less than 5, so 1000 place digit will written be as it is, so it has become 6000. Now these are the estimated numbers, and when we will add, we will get estimated sum. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 and 6, 11. And we have got 11,000. And here 11,287 is the actual sum, and estimated sum is 11,000. Yes, students, hope you have understood this topic. Do the sums carefully and have a beautiful day ahead. Thanks.